Gua sha and dry brushing are great for breast health. Take a look at all the lymph nodes around the breast. You'll do this on naked breasts. Use your dry brush to work around the breast, sweeping towards the armpit. In order to encourage lymphatic drainage, you're always going to sweep towards the areas of the body where the lymphatic fluid drains. That would be the armpits or the groin. Once you've finished dry brushing, apply your aura activator and then massage the aura oil thoroughly into the breasts. Begin gua sha with your aura stone. You're going to use very gentle lymphatic drainage pressure, working with the small U edge outward in every direction from the nipple. You may notice that you're sore over the pectoral muscles, in which case you can increase the pressure only there. But remember, the intention here is really to keep healthy lymphatic flow moving through the breasts, so overall the pressure over the breasts is going to be gentle. Once you've finished working all around the breast with the small U edge, switch to the wavy edge, keeping the pressure gentle, working underneath the breast towards the armpit and then above the breast towards the armpit, and then lift your elbow and work up into the armpit along the side of the breast. Whenever you work on the breasts, it's also a great time to give the décolleté some love. Stabilize the skin and work from the center outwards towards the shoulder.